Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Worn black finish on select hardwoods and veneers is moderately distressed for an aged appearance. This handsome floor clock offers a distressed finish with a time-worn appeal. The antique brass pendulum is viewed through a glass-covered cutout in the front hinged door. Raised panels are featured on 3 sides. The sculpted base includes turned bun feet on all 4 corners. The aged dial offers worn black Arabic numerals with spade hands finished in black. Quartz. Battery operated. Dual chime movement plays full Westminster or Ave Maria chimes with strike on the hour, with optional 4/4 chime feature which plays 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4 chimes accordingly. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Curio cabinet style design. Cut mirror tile and trim. Acrylic diamond clock face frame. Roman numeral face. Interior glass shelves and bottom drawer. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Finished in Windsor cherry on select hardwoods and veneers. Features a swan neck pediment and a shell overlay at the base of the turned finial. The polished and brushed brass finished dial offers ornate corner spandrels and center disc with a stationary blue moon phase. Substantially turned and reeded columns accent each side. Polished brass finished pendulum and weights are visible behind the full-length glass panels. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Dimensions. Measuring a generous 9 inches in width, 3 inches in depth and standing 16 inches tall. It will add a touch of sophistication to any room. Whether you're a fan of traditional design or simply appreciate timeless style, this pendulum clock is the perfect choice. Get ready to fall in love with its timeless charm. Classic design. This beautiful, classic wall clock adds an elegant and sophisticated majestic touch and a magnificent artistic design to your beloved home. Sturdy material. This magnificent wall clock was crafted with a sturdy plastic material for long-lasting durability, so you can use it for many years to come. Function. This long-lasting wall clock is battery operated, so it keeps your wall clean and neat without any wires and complicated setup. Requires 1-hour battery. Not included. Quiet. We created our wood-looking pendulum clocks non-ticking and silent to add more peace to your life. Our clocks have sweep and silent movement. No more annoying ticking or chiming. Mounting type. Wall mount.